Okay, here we are at Flamingo World in Florida, and we have an American ibis. He's found something good to eat over here at the fountain. This is the Flamingo Pond, and there's a lot of American ibis. The dark pink one is the flamingo. He's looking for. He's sweeping with his nose, straining out any food that he gets from the water. And there are some other flamingos, the regular flamingo. Okay, there's a whole group of Caribbean flamingos, these are all native wildlife of Florida. Ibises, flamingos, including the Caribbean flamingo. He just sweeps his head over the top of the surface of the water and straining out microscopic plankton for food.